My name's Jim Moran, and thanks very much for joining us for 2 Essentials of Process Improvement. You can reach me at jim@simplifyiso.com or over here at our website through the contact. So many times projects end up really well intentioned, but then we find ourselves in the weeds. How does this happen? Well, the first thing that seems to happen is that people get focused on the process instead of focusing on the goal. If the proposed change to the process is not compelling enough or doesn't mean anything to the people involved or isn't going to solve a problem for them, then it's not likely that you'll get the buy-in that you want to make the process better. On the other hand, if you use the goal approach, create a goal that really means something to people and will make their life better so they can clearly see that things are not going to stay the same and in fact their lives will be easier after the change, then you might get some buy-in. By now, many of you have heard of a goal setting acronym called SMART. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time limited. So you can see that if you find out what is really bothering someone or a group of people in an organization, set some specific measurables to see if you're making progress towards it, then you might get some buy-in. So instead of picking a generic goal to aim for, like reduce work, pick something specific about the work. Maybe it isn't all the work that is annoying, but maybe it's rework, for example, that makes people crazy. So you might choose something like reduce rework to less than 10% of the cost of the entire project. So this is specific, it's measurable. With any luck, it'll be attainable. It's definitely relevant, and it's time limited if you put an end date on the project. And of course, any project like this must be supported by top management, not just in words, but in messages, support, time support, people support, because people can hear the words, we want to improve a process, but they'll watch their leaders' feet. If the leaders aren't providing the resources needed to make the improvement, it's not as likely that the improvement will happen. So if you'd like to see if our platform could help you move some of your projects ahead through its simplicity, come on over here and schedule a demo. And let's see if perhaps this can't help you with document control, maybe closing out nonconformances on time, and of course, helping you along with your internal audits. Thanks very much for joining us. I'd sure like to see you next time for 4 key components of action plans. Bye for now.